Hello everyone, welcome back to Senegalese Twisted. I know it has been a while since I have filmed a vlog, and it's mostly because I've been so busy with my last weeks here in Senegal. However, the day before yesterday, my cousin and I, we made the big trip from Dakar all the way to Podor, and because we left at around 3 a.m. it was too dark for me to film everything, so I did not film anything. And today I am in Podor. We are about to take some pictures, go to the river where you can see Mauritania on the other side, and I will bring you with me and show you a little bit of Podor. So let's go. So we are at the border of Mauritania, and as you can see on the other side, you have it. Mauritania is there. The first time in so long that I came here. So we are here, and as you can see, the festival of blues was supposed to take place, but there was an accident. So yeah, and there are some hotels over here, like Auberge du Décrour, and what else? I don't know. It's just been a long time since I came here, but it's so nice. So the 11th Festival of Blues by the river, organized by the one and only Baaba Maal, that most of you probably know from his soundtrack from Black Panther. And yeah, unfortunately they had to reschedule it for next week because there was an accident. So So there's also a fair where they sell clothing and more stuff. But mostly clothing. Nice. So there are some goats here. And here we have the mosque. And the sunset is so beautiful. So we are walking around in Podor. Man some bob lay filmé de. Bala ñu yuuxuma.
Ba bi nee ba xam da bu muy sang dañ ko jël. Dañ ko bëgg tasaare naan ko day sangu. Mi ngi sangu.
Kay jël. So we got goats, and look what's coming our way. Wow. She's like, oh, so you're gonna film the cow? And I'm like, yes. Because we don't have this shit in Holland. Cows walking around like they own the place. So this is a house that they are in the works of constructing.